The 2025 Honda Goldwing GL1100 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a rolling statement of luxury, engineering, and comfort that continues a legacy stretching back decades. The name, Goldwing, has always meant something special in the touring bike world. It's the machine that turned long-distance motorcycling from an endurance test into a first-class travel experience. And while the original GL1100 was introduced back in the early 1980s, the 2025 version takes that DNA, that spirit of grand touring, and infuses it with modern technology, safety features, and performance enhancements to create something truly remarkable. The first thing that grabs your attention is the styling. Honda has managed to make the new Goldwing GL1100 look sleek and contemporary while still honoring the vintage lines of the classic model. The fairing is sculpted for optimal aerodynamics, with sharp edges that guide the wind around the rider and passenger. LED lighting is integrated throughout, from the aggressive front headlamp cluster to the stylish rear taillight assembly. The paintwork is deep and flawless, available in a range of premium colors like midnight pearl, champagne silver, and crimson blaze, each one finished with meticulous detailing and clear coat that gleams in the sunlight. Beneath that bodywork lies the beating heart of the machine, a horizontally opposed 4-cylinder engine, updated for 2025 with fuel injection precision and advanced emission controls. While the displacement harks back to the 1100cc heritage, the performance is thoroughly modern. Smooth, torquey power is delivered effortlessly through every gear, and the engine's distinctive hum is a comforting reminder that this is a Goldwing. Honda has engineered the power delivery to be both relaxed and responsive, making highway cruising effortless while still offering enough punch for spirited riding on winding back roads. The transmission is a refined 6-speed manual with an assistant slipper clutch, ensuring smooth shifts and reduced rider fatigue. For those who want pure convenience, Honda also offers a DCT, dual-clutch transmission, option that allows fully automatic shifting or fingertip manual control. Whichever option you choose, the drivetrain is buttery smooth, and the shaft drive means minimal maintenance and maximum reliability over long distances. Comfort is where the Goldwing GL1100 truly shines, and the 2025 model takes it to the next level. The seat is sculpted for all-day support, with plush padding and premium upholstery that resists heat buildup. Heated grips and heated seats come standard, making cold weather rides far more enjoyable. The windscreen is electrically adjustable, allowing riders to find the perfect height for wind protection on the fly. Passenger accommodations are equally luxurious, with a wide backrest, integrated armrests, and an elevated seat position that offers an excellent view of the road ahead. The technology package is exactly what you'd expect from a flagship touring motorcycle in 2025. Front and center is a massive full-color TFT display that serves as the hub for navigation, audio, and bike settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, letting riders seamlessly integrate their smartphones for music, calls, and maps. The sound system is a premium-grade unit, delivering crisp, clear audio even at highway speeds. Multiple USB-C charging ports and a wireless charging pad ensure your devices stay powered on long rides. Honda has also packed in a comprehensive suite of safety features. Traction control, multiple riding modes, and cornering ABS give riders confidence in any conditions. The Goldwing GL1100 now features Honda's advanced radar-based adaptive cruise control, which can automatically adjust your speed to maintain a safe following distance. There's also blind spot detection and a lane change warning system, innovations more commonly found in luxury cars, now adapted for two-wheel touring. The chassis is a masterpiece of balance and stability. Honda's engineers have worked tirelessly to keep the Goldwing GL1100's handling light and responsive despite its full touring size. The aluminum frame is rigid yet lightweight, and the suspension system, featuring a double wishbone front end and electronically adjustable rear shock, delivers an uncannily smooth ride. Whether you're rolling down an interstate or leaning through a mountain sweep, the bike feels planted, predictable, and incredibly composed. Storage has always been a Goldwing hallmark, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Integrated saddlebags and a large top trunk offer more than enough space for two riders' gear, with weather-sealed latches and a power locking system for convenience. There's even a hidden compartment for small valuables, perfect for keeping wallets, cameras, or passports secure during stops. Honda's attention to detail is evident everywhere you look. The switchgear feels precise and premium. The mirrors are perfectly placed for visibility. Even the way the side stand deploys has a satisfying smoothness. Every element has been refined to enhance the riding experience, and it's clear that Honda's engineers didn't just build a motorcycle, they crafted a long-distance travel companion. On the road, the 2025 Goldwing GL1100 feels like a fusion of a luxury sedan and a sport touring machine. The engine hums quietly at cruising speed, the suspension glides over imperfections, and the wind protection cocoons you in comfort. Yet when you twist the throttle, there's a satisfying surge of acceleration that reminds you this is still a performance machine at heart. It's a bike that can cross states in a day, then carve through twisty roads the next morning without missing a beat. Fuel efficiency has also been improved, thanks to optimized engine mapping and better aerodynamics. Combined with a large fuel tank, you're looking at impressive range between fill-ups, meaning fewer stops and more uninterrupted riding time. And when you do stop, the Goldwing's low-speed balance, aided by a reverse gear and even a slow-speed, walking mode, makes maneuvering in parking lots or tight spaces surprisingly easy. For riders who want the ultimate blend of comfort, technology, performance, and long-haul reliability, the 2025 Honda Goldwing GL1100 is a compelling choice. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement that the journey matters just as much as the destination. Whether you're riding solo into the horizon or sharing the adventure with a passenger, the Goldwing GL1100 delivers an experience that few bikes can match. It's a machine built not only to cover miles, but to make every mile unforgettable. The Goldwing has always been about freedom, and in 2025, that freedom comes wrapped in sophistication, innovation, and unmatched craftsmanship. This is Honda at its best, honoring tradition while embracing the future. If you've ever dreamed of owning the ultimate touring motorcycle, the 2025 Goldwing GL1100 might just be the one to make that dream come true.